Yeah, that last chapter creeped me out. I may stop playing this game for a while. I'll keep updating you guys as it goes on, like the whole beta testing process, but I really think this game is really creepy. And funny thing is, like whenever I try to leave, I don't see like a leave option anymore, like there was before. So I just like force quit. But whenever I play another game, this game kind of just like opens up on its own. So I don't know what feature that is the SP3 and added, but that's weird as fuck. And yeah, hopefully this isn't like a virus or something, but I don't know. I'll keep you guys updated. And thanks for watching. See you guys in chapter 4, I guess. Weird ass game.
Let's play. You will never leave. Let's have some fun together.